it really okay that you're jumping around like that? Is it really okay that you're jumping around like that? Careful. Oh God, that's so scary. Ah! Yay! You guys made it! Yay! Happy You guys made it! Why are you wearing glasses?
I can't see it.
Oh, are you serious? Say Happy New Year! Say
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year!
I brought
Yay.
District 9 if you guys want to see it.
I have seen it, but we can watch it again.
Blu-ray.
Well, okay, we can watch it in
I
Blu-ray.
got my cables.
Sorry, cool. Let's get it started. Let's get it started.
Oh, I brought pizza.
Let's get it started.
I brought pizza. Alright. Now who's gonna cook it?
Not
me.
You
No.
always do that.
No.
Hey, Randall, I called off work for this, so you have to drink with me now.
I've been drinking.
More.
I'm already been drinking.